Yo, what's up, Molly Boy? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Inendele, sinalanga di titi, timankala ku, say koma, di machogera ku, Tswana. Somebody suggested, let's, Zianda Bokeka. Suggesting this one. Zonke Too Fresh, featuring Tuno, and the name of the song is Shuwa. Okay, let's get it. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe, hit that notification. Any of the uploads.
Shuwa ndita uyemela bakulu mawanga nkokoa mawanga wa muse musambisa mahu inendili shuwa inendili shuwa ndita uyemela bakulu mawanga nkokoa mawanga wa muse musambisa mahu inendili shuwa Iwe no malua maluanga Iwe no maluanga Iwe no maluanga Iwe no maluanga Of course nzoka ambiran Mayala sisonga ambiran Zinazo
Hey, what are they gonna do?
Nzotandizan Koma uyoyoma Inendifuna ubali Mawanga ukale Nyale ya chikondi iwale Iwe tanembele weta Iwe ndi wanga Umande baza confidence Iwe ndi wanga
Yo, big up to Arsenal. I see the Arsenal jersey there. Yeah, let's go. Champions in the building. What are we talking about? Okay, let's
Libe wena nenga julenso Iwe ndi pa Ala ala ala
Sure, inandiri sure. Nitaguyemera bakulu mawanga kukua. Mawanga wa mutima sambisa mahu. Inandiri sure.
Man, it's been a minute since I reacted to Tuno. Like, it's been 3 years or so. Oh my goodness. Tuno done grow up on us. Right? Okay.
Sure, inandiri sure. Nitaguyemera bakulu mawanga kukua. Mawanga wa mutima sambisa mahu. Inandiri sure. Iwe ni
Yo, all men go all out for the engagement. Eesh. I don't know. Beautiful stuff.
We gonna get it, we starting to life cause I know he's better with me. We fell in love and we not going back cause it's our future with me. In a new for no ballet, Tima wanga ukale. Yali ya jikondi iwale, iwe tandimvele iwe da.
Inendili shuwa
Oh yeah.
Ndita uyemela bakulu mawanga nkokoa mawanga wa muse musambisa mahu
What they're saying, but I know it's all about, like, I'm sure that this is the person, this is my guy, this is my girl. I am 100% sure this is the one right here. But honestly, let me know in the comment section what are they saying for
Sure, inandiri sure. Nitaguyemera bakulu mawanga kukua. Mawanga wa mutima sambisa mahu. Inandiri sure. Iwe ni maluanga.
maon money studio Aos Makwan money nani
as usual. You know what I mean? Let's see. Am I surprised? Okay, there we go. Subscribe to both of them. Different. I have so many YouTube accounts. So anyway, subscribe to Tuno and to Fred. Doing a wonderful job. Yeah, the music is so good, man. I haven't reacted to Zonke Too Fresh as well in a minute. Here we are. Thank you. What say? Nothing much to say. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification. Any of the uploads on the channel. I will see you guys on the other side.